Hey guys, Chris Aqua here and welcome to my YouTube channel. This is another edition of cryptocurrency tutorial videos, and in today's video tutorial I'll be teaching you how you can withdraw or transfer your coins from Binance to an external wallet, and I'll be using USDT as my example. So right now you first need to log into your Binance account, either using your app or a PC. Right now I'm using the app, and this is the interface. So once I'm signed in, all I need to do is to click on wallet. You can see it at the footer section here. This is the footer section. You see wallet. Once I click on wallet, all I need to do is to go to spot. So naturally you would be on your overview, so all I need to do is go to spot. This is it, overview. This is spot, this is margin, this is futures, and this is P2P. There are different wallets for different purposes, but if you have your coin in other wallets, you need to move them to your spot wallet. So let's say you have your coins in P2P, you have to transfer first. Once you click on transfer, you transfer from your P2P to your spot wallet. So you can see you can transfer from any wallet to your spot wallet. Then once you do that, you go to your spot wallet. Right now I have about 50 USDT. So like I said, I'll be using USDT as the example right here. So once I do that, I click on USDT. Once I click on USDT, you can see right here. Then you click on withdraw at the bottom right corner of the page. Click on withdraw. Once you click on withdraw, to bring you to this particular page where you have to input the withdrawal address. So I'm just going to paste the address right here, and automatically it has detected the type of network that it is. But if it does not, you need to specify the type of network it is so that you won't have issues with the transfer. So we have coins with BEP20, BEP2, BEP20, that's the Binance Smart Chain. We have ERC, and we have the TRC20. TRC20 is always better because the transaction fee is always low, but ensure that you confirm the type of network before you continue to send. So how much am I going to send? You can send only a minimum of 10 USDT, but in my case I'm just going to let me do 20. So once I do 20, all I need to take note of this. So as I'm doing 20, it's telling me that I'll be getting 19 USDT because they are going to remove $1 as the fee, but I don't want them to remove $1, so let me put 21. So yeah, you can see it's saying I'm going to get 20. So all I need to do now is to click on withdrawal. So once I click on withdrawal, you can see confirm order, network TRC20, and I click on confirm. So it's going to take me to this interface where I need to verify my code, verify everything right here. So once I do that, all I need to do is click on submit. So once I click on submit, it's going to bring me to this particular page that you can see right here. So you can see withdrawal request submitted, system processing, withdrawal expected to arrive within 30 minutes. The amount of withdrawal blah 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 21 USDT. Then the address is here. So I would have to wait for this transaction to get processed. So once I click on history, I can see my history right here. You can see my withdrawal, and right here you can see processing 0.1. So if I enter it, you see it right here, all the details of your transaction. So guys, once it's complete, you see it right here. So you can see it right there, it will be completed. So guys, that's basically how to transfer your coin out of your Binance to an external crypto wallet. So I had to wait some minutes, and you can see right here 20 USDT completed. So this particular wallet must have received my 20 USDT that I transferred. So guys, that's how to withdraw or transfer your cryptocurrencies from Binance to an external wallet. Thank you very much for staying with me to the end of this video. If this video has served value, please don't forget to like and subscribe. then turn on the notification bell so that whenever I drop videos like this, you'll be the first to get them. I love you, and please don't forget to keep staying safe. Bye.